told me his car is at the workshop and he has parked here. Really, let me call him. This guy, I just don't know. You've parked your car here, you're even lying to me that he's at the workshop and his stuff is inside the car. Hey, Mama. The number is not going through. Like, really? Wow. Let me see if it's open. Wow, it's locked. I'll just go to the house. Check. Let me see. So he's already locked his car. Wow. No problem. Nana, knocking. Wow.
Oh,
so he's
not
that.
You're already in?
Yes.
Oh wow, nice seeing you.
I thought you were inside.
I heard someone calling me, but I didn't know that.
Anyway.
I was just doing something at the back door.
What were you doing?
I was just doing some small washing.
Nana,
Yeah,
I thought you told me your car was being parked at the workshop.
Oh yeah, I told you, but obviously I decided to bring you home and pack it and maybe later I'll send it back to you.
Anyway, I've been calling and calling. You're not even answering your phone.
Oh, so my phone is inside the room. Yeah.
Anyway, so should we go inside or should we go to the lunch?
I think we have to go for the lunch and then later when we come back home.
And I'm not seeing you well.
What? Good. I'm okay.
I hope so. Anyway, if you want us to go, that's fine.
Alright.
So you leave your phone?
Yeah, of course. So I hope definitely you're going to come back.
So tell me more about luncheon stuff.
So what dish are you going to take?
I want to take you with palm nuts.
Oh, look, you are going to look at me. Oh, I like.
Oh, I thought I closed the gate. Sorry.
You left it there.
I thought I closed it when I was coming down.
Oh.
But
No
anyway,
problem. No problem.
that's fine.
I want to take tilapia.
With Banku.
Yeah, with one banku. I think
Okay. I'm sure I'm going to really enjoy your lunch dating.
Yeah, of course.
Anyway.
We're going for the lunch.
Yeah, we're going. I wish your car was working. We would have just gone in the car.
Oh, as you can see. Unless maybe Monday, I'll fix it on an anniversary.
It's okay.
I'm really good.
Yes. You know him? Then try and get hold of him. But what did he write in the paper? What's in the paper?
Oh, I see. She's my girlfriend.
What?
Really?
She's my girl.
So, baby, you have a boyfriend?
I don't even know him.
And how come she gave me this? She gave me this. Come on.
I'm surprised. I don't know him from anywhere.
No. Hold on.
And then he gave you a paper of what? She is my girl.
She is my girlfriend. So you have a boyfriend and
like,
you never told me.
I am just even shocked and surprised. I don't know
Have a
him
look.
from anywhere. I just told him.
Really? Is that what
She's my girl. Who is he? I don't know him.
No.
I called him. He's not anywhere here. He's not here.
Just tell me the truth. So he's your guy.
And she is my girl. How?
Yes, that's what she gave. That's what he gave me.
Sweetheart.
Oh, really?
I'm even short of words. I don't know this guy from anywhere.
And how come he gave me this letter that
I don't
you
know.
are his girlfriend? So you dating?
It's not true. I'm not dating.
Okay, I see.
I don't even know him.
I see. It's okay.
Baby,
it's okay. Just hold it. Go.
Baby, come down and listen to me. Baby, where are you going? Where are you going? Just listen to what I'm saying. I don't know him. Baby. Down.
It's okay. Don't baby. It's okay.
What's all this? Baby, you don't trust me. I'm coming to you. Listen to me. Sweetheart. I'm just disappointed. Who is this? She is my girl. How? I don't know this guy. I just can't believe this is happening to me. Oh my God. No, Abena has to hear about this. I just can't believe my eyes. Sweetheart! Oh God. Abena! I don't understand this. This is unbelievable.
What's this?
I was going for lunch. I actually went to meet my guy and we were going for lunch. There was this guy that we met on the street and gave him this. She's my girl. How? Abena,
She's my girl.
I don't even know the guy in question. I don't know him. We've been chasing him up and down.
Hello, wait. What you saying?
Hey God.
His short.
His short. His lip look like a pencil. Like, I don't know. Like,
Baby. What are you? Stop crying. We're dying.
I had a boyfriend. I never told him about it.
I not my team how we. What did you mean?
Oh,
what did you mean? Maybe what?
You know him?
I know him. I know where he stays. I know where he stays.
You know what you're saying? Abena, then you have to take it to do this. I don't know why you do this to me.
This is the same handwriting. This is the same thing you wrote.
She is my girl. I don't know.
He's the reason I'm single now.
You trust me, right? You trust me. You know. Please, you have
no,
to help
no.
me.
I'm helping you. I'm on it. I'm still on it.
Hey, God. Hey.
So
So what are we doing now? My boyfriend doesn't believe me. Let me wear my slippers. Now let's go. Let's go. I'm okay. Let's go. Oh, Abena. You know him.
Listen, me have my cousin on the enemy.
Yes, that's the dress he was wearing. Yeah, you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? You are the same guy.
What is the problem?
You are the same guy.
What is your
this
problem?
This is the dress you were wearing.
Oh.
This is the same guy.
Calm down.
Hey. What is this?
Huh?
What's the meaning of this?
What is this?
This is what you give to my boyfriend.
It's a piece of paper.
A piece of paper. What is written inside the paper?
What is this? Read it. Read it.
And you wrote it.
Hey.
You haven't been to school before and you wrote it.
To school.
Come.
And I'll try.
Bruh. Yeah. Why not somebody be my own?
You want from me? What do you want?
Read it. It's done the same way, Jane. Read it.
I don't know the meaning.
You don't know the meaning.
I don't know.
What I mean? When you saw the beard, you know you've done the same thing to me. When you saw my boyfriend in Germany, because of you, I'm single.
Okay.
I'm specially single. What him say?
You are out.
You see, explain this before you get what you deserve. Explain it.
But mister, hold on. Do you even know me?
Huh?
Do you know me? I'm asking you a question. Do you know me?
I don't want to talk.
You don't want me to talk? Why do you have to write this into my boyfriend?
Do you want me to talk?
Talk.
I said I don't want to talk.
Talk.
Let's cut this and have peace of mind.
We are not cutting anything. You've made my relationship go astray. You're telling me what? Please explain to me. Do you know me? Explain. Only me alone.
Calm down.
You cannot only me.
Calm down.
You know me.
Let me explain.
Oh, what you are trying to do is unfair. Listen to me. Is it hurts?
She's my girl.
So
you wrote to my boyfriend. You gave my boyfriend this paper.
So it hurts you, right? It hurts you.
Do you know? Have you met him before?
Is it hurts? Do you recognize me?
I don't get this guy, yo.
Look at
What
me.
are you even talking about?
Do you recognize me?
I don't.
Just look at me well.
I don't.
Look at me. Open your eyes and see me well. You know me.
Mister, are you okay?
I don't.
Do you remember 2 months ago? Do you remember what you did to me?
What did I
Do
do?
you remember what you did to
What
me?
did I do to you?
You slapped me in front of people. It's all because I tried to chase you and give you your 100 CDs, fall down, and I picked the 100 CD. Chase you, you slapped me. And you think I'm coming? I was trying to propose to you. For what? You slapped me.
No, mister. So if you are trying to talk to her, to tell her that her money fell, and that she didn't even mind you and gave you a dirty slap,
yes,
must you bring it on me?
Bring it on me.
I am not the one who offended you.
Are you not related to him, to she?
She's just my friend. So why are you coming to break my marriage?
You are one company. You are together.
Okay, we are together. So you have to spoil my relationship.
Did I spoil it? I did. Yes, I did.
Really?
Yes.
They're not
I
here.
did. Not me.
Where you did? I'm here.
Calm down. Hey, stop that. Oh.
You did.
Oh,
you did. You did.
Oh, stop
Will
that.
you go?
Huh?
Will you go with that?
Stop.
Are you going to carry?
See, you have to let my boyfriend come back to me.
How are you going to do it?
You have to let my boyfriend come back to me.
Are you going to return that slap?
We are even giving.
Are you guys going to return that slap?
Hey,
my
Jesus Christ.
friend, don't let me.
Let's go.
Don't make me.
Are we going?
Don't make me.
Hey, Radhi, nipa met you. Like, I don't get this thing.
So mama before me,
Hey,
Radhi.
You calling me your friend? My sister,
Obi aminimu. What do you trust is my your many years
my sister, we have to be a the nam. The friend one am wa una osawa. Who go maso? The mama name ya.
girl. I just saw trauma my boyfriend said. Me your girl.
80 cents come out trust abeda wa ya wa chiri dia na show. E kabede na ya me so ma ya de bia ma na show.
Na me na me offend you. Me na me ye obi bi ma na ye o ya.
Related to this.
Please don't give me that excuse. If I'm related to her, must you do the same?
You related to her, my friend. Stop this. Stop. Hey. Huh? To her. I'm not going anywhere with you. I'm not going anywhere with you. So you are proud of yourself. Having big nyas.
Hey.
You are flashing on me with your big nyas.
Are you okay?
Your big
Are you okay? How can you tell my boyfriend that I am your girlfriend?
Hey.
Am I your girlfriend?
Excuse me.
Am I your girlfriend? Am I your girlfriend? Hey. Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Oh!
Hey!
Oh! Excuse me. Oh! What do you want from me?
My boyfriend. If you don't give me back my boyfriend,
So
you have to go with me to my boyfriend's house.
It hurts you. The other one hurt me too. It hurt you. It hurt me. It hurts you. It hurts you. It hurts me.
My pay.
My friend. Stop what you're doing. It won't help you. Stop. It won't help you, my friend. Oh, leave my Pieto. Leave. If you tear my Pieto, I will tear yours too. So leave me. Leave me alone. Oh. My friend, stop what you are doing.